Hey, it's George here, and today I have to show you an update on some plants and trees which I have here in the nature. And let me take you with me and show you the update. Actually, I come here every day to see if some new bamboo shoots grow. And one already did grow on the bamboo which I got from Italy. But this is golden bamboo, no any shoots yet, but will grow for sure, but we'll have to wait yet. But on this one I propagated another shoot in the pot, and in the pot from the bud started to grow. That's a good sign. So let's see what I have here in the nature, see an update. Everything is just green, it's spring and it's beautiful and birds and really clear air here, just amazing. Well, this is the new shoot of a bamboo which I said and started to grow really quick, and we will see what species is this because I don't know, but I planted it here near the river and I watered it yesterday and should grow beautiful. So the river is here and this shoots very old shoots, like they're very thick, you know, and this is another one. I planted roots and I will let the video link in description and in the corner if you want to see that video, you know, and now coming out new shoots. And I don't know the name of this bamboo, but maybe you know, write in the comments if you know. And so looks like on the leaves. And on the stem is like yellow. Maybe you know the name. And on the buds, you know, let me show you how leaves growing. Well, they have such grow here as you can see. Such variety, very nice. And my mother said she sent me these bamboo roots. And this one come with a shoot with leaves. And she said they growing up to 3 meters. But we will see how tall it will grow in my case here in Moldova. I come here every day. It's not very far from my home. It's like 100 meters and really nice. This as well I planted and should grow some shoots. You know, we will see, just look at it. I watered it yesterday as you can see, and the roots of the bamboo I planted here as well. They should grow soon, but we will see. As you can see, everything is green, and let me show you another stuff which was bloom for the first time. It is in bloom now, and that is a lilac tree. A woman where I did work in the past did gave me these trees and I planted here, and in 2018 planted, and now look at them, they are in bloom, very beautiful, and they smell so good. As you can see how beautiful. Did you have these trees in your garden? You know, they bloom in springtime, like in May now. And I have another tree, lilac, here. But this have not so many blooms like the first one, and this have more sunlight. Interesting. Every tree, every plant is unique. Yeah, and let me show you the pomegranate tree right here. Well, already growing the leaves. They are like red and should turn in green color when they will grow completely. And as well I watered the pomegranate tree and have to visit tomorrow. We'll see, depending on the weather. It should rain in the night, and it will grow beautiful, this pomegranate tree. And here is strawberries, beautiful and in bloom. So I will have as well strawberries, and another one is here. Did you remember when I planted blackberries? And it's green, it's good and should grow beautiful, but we will see. And as well here I have a lemon tree which is resisting in winter time. I forgot to water it as you can see, but I will water for sure and have to dig around it a little bit. Now let's take a look on these plants which are called Winca minor. and they are like invasive, and they blooming in such color and beautiful, as you can see. Very good. They growing like a carpet, and we'll see how they will grow here. Yeah, a few years, 2 years ago I planted, and already they spreading like already they are here, and not only here, one is here, as you can see. Nice, let them grow, and we'll see how it will be in the future. Here I have a wild cherry tree, and it have this some cherries, but not so many, because when was in bloom, just was rainy days and no bees to pollinate. But still looking this tree healthy, and let's see next many cherry trees I have as well. Oh, it's beautiful. As well here hortensia. Let me show you. Such healthy and should bloom soon. We'll see when will bloom. As you can see the leaves. Whoa, hortensia is in Romanian, but in English it's called hydrangea. Okay, and should bloom, but we'll see when will bloom and make some beautiful white blooms and reach, and we'll see just. I will have to do an update. Here is also water. We let water in this to get warm, and then we water the garden, but where we took water from the river, as you can see. Awesome. In the future I will make compost here. Well, there is beautiful. The soil looks like so dry, as you can see. It was a lot of rains in April, but now inside is wet, but outside is like it's very dry, and yeah, but beautiful river here. I love this bamboo shoot. Let's walk more on that side. We have some trees as well here, and beautiful here. Acacia trees. Awesome. This is an elm tree. As you can see, it's beautiful. Many trees we have in this region, you know. There is Paulownia tomentosa. Now growing new leaves, and it will be beautiful when the leaves will be big, you see. Also looks like the Paulownia tomentosa. Beautiful leaves, young. And here as well the stem. It's beautiful too, as you can see. And the cherry tree growing wild. And let me show you, this one have more cherries. And let me show you how many. They are still green, but so beautiful looking. As well, here I have Opuntia cactus, which resisting in winter time. Maybe this year will bloom. Once was in bloom and I did shoot video. And these trees we can see here, planted around 10 years ago. The name I will include in the video. They are very tall. Planted with my father. Beautiful. And we have an apple tree. Very beautiful and full bloom. I did shoot a video before when it was more blooms, more petals, and it was looking beautiful, but one branch was broken by windy. Anyway, just was a beautiful in bloom, and we'll see if this apple tree will have some you know, apples. The variety is golden, so just we'll see. This year will have some apples or not. And here did grow some plants, as you can see, beautiful. They are austere, nice, and they will bloom. They love sunny. As well, these plants like growing here, wild. Quite a lot of these plants growing. I think they are like medicinal plants. A maple tree that grow itself from seed, I guess, and it's beautiful. We'll see how tall it will grow, but so many trees, and it's beautiful. And here is a hazelnut tree. Now looks very healthy and green. Maybe this year we'll have some hazelnuts. Let me check. Colorful. Not yet sure. I will see just in June, and if we'll have, I will make video. It started to rain slowly, and here is rucola, which I grew from seed last year, and this year blooming. And the seeds will fall into the ground and will germinate, and then will grow another plant. Now let's see the second pomegranate tree which I have, and I made video when I planted it here, and let's see an update. It started to grow quite many leaves, and maybe it likes this place, but this is a sour cherry tree. It's beautiful. Let me show you the pomegranate tree. I watered it as well yesterday. So many leaves, beautiful. And the third one is around here. I planted many seedlings here. They're growing. I wait to grow new shoots on this bamboo, and we'll see when they will grow. I will make video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks a lot for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel, and greetings from Moldova, and I will catch you next time. Bye bye.